All right, so fix that corner over there. We've got this whole thing repitched. We now have our beautiful Spartan guards in. We had to, because of the slope that we had to put the gutter, we had to do a transition between our what's called our flat wing and our bent wing. So this is bent wing, this is flat wing, because we want to make sure it rides down the whole way and keeps itself all cohesive and pretty. But anyway, so these guys now have hail proof, knock on wood, because we're all going to get like pumpkin sized hail one day when the good Lord gets tired of us all, tired of the shenanigans. Anyway, hail proof, class A fire rated, and it will definitely keep out the leaves, pine needles, everything else. Look at that. Look at that beautiful bean footage. So there we go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how Spartan Gutter Guards / Spartan Home Services sets up your gutters for great success. So, all right, give us a call. Send us an email, SpartanGutterGuards.com.